Top 3 Amazon FBA tips for new sellers. Want to start selling on Amazon through its FBA scheme? Great decision! This is an extremely efficient way to set up an online business, and one that can help you learn a huge amount in a short amount of time. Because Amazon handles all of the heavy lifting and hard work, you can start making a big profit in no time, and potentially scale that business to extraordinary heights. But you need to start somewhere, and in this presentation, we'll be going over 3 tips that can help you to get ahead of the pack right out of the gates. Tip 1. Make a modest first investment. The temptation might be to take out a business loan and to bulk order thousands of products. This is a mistake, as it's going to put you on the back foot. It's now a long time before you'll reach break even, and that can lead to desperate business tactics, which always backfire. Better is to start small. Put in an order of 50 items, and let this serve as an experiment. If those items do well, you can order more. If they sell badly, then you know to try something different. Play fast and loose and experiment at first. You'll learn on the job. Tip 2. Create a blog and store. One of the big advantages of Amazon is that it lets you sell via a ready-made platform to a gigantic audience of billions. Sound good? Problem is, this means you don't have any control over your exposure or how you present yourself. Creating a blog means you can build your own audience, gain their trust, and find people with a common interest. From there, you can even promote your products through your own e-commerce storefront, using something like WooCommerce. This lets you build your own brand, and thereby take control of the way you are presenting yourself. That's massive. Tip 3. Choose products you love. If you truly love the products and the subject matter, then you'll know precisely what it takes to make it amazing, and you'll know how to sell that to other people. You'll be far better at content marketing, and moreover, you'll hopefully create a lot of other happy customers too. Don't just chase after what you think is the next craze. Instead, choose things that are built to last, and that bring you genuine happiness.